time. There you go. Lovely. Fantastic. Following the stream downwards. Hey ho. Let's go. Wow. And it is a perfectly clear day. Expecting snow and blizzards and all that stuff, but it's not. It's a wild Welsh wintry walk. Wah on some wild walks on the Welsh side, 2018. Maybe we should put that at the beginning of the video. Oh dear, come on, get with it, Mercer. All the kids in the house back in school yet? Dear me. Right. There we go, peace and quiet at last. Haha. As long as it lasts. In the evergreens. I thought there was snow, but it's just frost. Hey, that's a perfect shot, that is. Perfect shot. Why don't you just go and take it then? You thought it was snow, and it's just the frost. Mind your step. Careful there, Ian. Right, high road, low road, taking the low road. Right, it's frosty. Yeah, it's a bit chillier down there. Ah, nice. There we go. Right, always another sign. Let's see what the sign says, shall we? Life in Wepre brook. Ooh, fish. Okay. Nice. Now that is total tranquility. What's that? What's that? Yeah, probably getting closer to the visitor centre now. Right, and it's like, yeah, pools are frozen over. The stream still bubbling on. Oh, we had the waterfall up ahead. Now that's what I call a winter wonderland, except it's frost, not snow. Oh well, never mind. Waterfall ahead. Yay! Now this is what I should have packed my wellies for. Oh well, next time. Yeah. Always take your wellies out in winter. Oh, getting closer. Getting closer. Nice. The waterfall at Wepre Park. Woohoo! And there she blows. Haha. Wepre Park Waterfall 2018. Lovely. Let's get a shot of this. Whee! One of the kids fell in. Yeah. Whoosh! Get wet. There's the waterfall and Wepre Park 2018. Oh, look at that robin right there. No, is it chaffinch? Anyway. Head up to the visitor centre for refreshments and then back to Chester. Okay. Thank you for joining me. This is Ian Mercer on 7th. Or is it the 8th? Is it the 7th today? Yeah, it's the 7th, not the 8th. We'll get the 8th one. Oh, I better change the settings on this then. I've reset it for the 8th. Anyway, adios. Bye bye. See you later, alligator. Let's crack on. Another step into adventure. Oh, into Wonderland. Lovely.